Hey, Lucas, can I get an interview?
Yeah, of course, man.
Yo, dude, come on, bro. What's it like being a first-year apprentice?
Oh, it's pretty awesome. Feels good to contribute to something in society.
What do you do every day?
Whatever the boss tells me usually.
Yeah, whatever the boss tells you?
Grunt work, you know.
Ah,
Stuff.
your grunt work, okay. Do you recommend people to get into this trade?
Yeah, I do. I think it's needed. It's a very like underworked trade, and there's not a lot of people to be in it right now. So I think that we need more people to actually do the work, because not a lot of people do the work right now.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Of course.